YouTube banner, YouTube channel art, whatever you call it, you will need one for your channel. So today I will show you step by step how to make channel art. Hi, my name is Ola from Income Ola, and I'm helping busy moms to grow online and be successful on YouTube. If this is something that you're interested in, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss anything. Without further ado, let's dive into my laptop and I will show you exactly step by step how to make a professional, amazing channel art. Come with me. The first method I use is Canva. Last 3 years, Canva been a lifesaver for me, and just recently I upgraded it to a paid version. But you don't have to. You can start with free version. It have all the features that you need to start. Just go to canva.com. Let's do the email. What will you be using Canva for? Let's say personal, small business. Small business sounds good. We don't want to try Canva Pro for free. We want to do the maybe later. We're going for a free version. Skip. Just click out of it. The magic is happening right now, guys. I really love Canva. I know maybe I sound a little bit too much, but I just love Canva. I don't know. I can't believe it's free. Okay, I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this, and I don't want to learn. Basically, when you go, let's go home because I want to show you how you get into this page. When you go to canva.com and you already sign in, this is the page that you come. Create a design, and now you have custom dimensions. If you know your dimensions, you can use this, but you don't have to because you have here a list of everything you ever need. I'm telling you. Now we're gonna do YouTube channel art. All right, so you can start from scratch or you can choose from so many templates that you have. Now when you hover with your mouse over the template, you see if it's free, or if you don't see the free icon, that means you can't use this template. But I'll tell you a trick. Let's find something nice that it's not free. This one, right? This is free, this is not free because you don't see the free here. When you click on that, the only thing makes it not free is probably the picture. So you just have to click on the picture, remove the picture, and whatever picture you used to put instead, you can use this design for yourself and you will be able to download it in the end. Now let's go again and start from scratch, or let's use a template, doesn't matter. We're going for channel art, right? In Canva, as much as I love this website, you can't see exactly how it's gonna look on your other devices like mobile phone. My suggestion, when you decide to do channel art, choose a template that you see in the middle, something small. This will be your indication how big you can go. Let's say we choose this one, okay? This is probably the parameters that you use for your design. Don't go too much over it. This is how it will look on TV. On your desktop it will be smaller, and on your mobile phone it will be even smaller. So try to stay in this area. We can go to photos. I'm sorry guys, my recorder stopped working for me. But I came back to our thing. And I just want to show you how nice it is to just use the templates instead of starting from scratch. Of course, you can start from scratch, just add elements and picture, and it's going to be the same or almost the same what you see. Let's say this one. This is really nice one and it's free, so you can use it. I like this style. Now you just click twice and remove this and say, Mommy, oh. Channel. Don't use this font, please don't use this font. You have to actually make sure people can read what you write. Just my opinion. Okay, and here you can write whatever you want. And to make it bigger, you actually have to ungroup it, so just hit ungroup, and now it's all every element by itself, and you can move it by itself, make it bigger. Now to make it really pop out, just use elements. Let's go to my favorite one, which is square, and I just put it on the back side of this nice text, so you really can see what it says, right? Another square, this time we'll make it smaller. Whatever you like, whatever you choose, just play with it. It's gonna be really nice. Of course, you can change any picture of those. Let's say we'll go to photos and choose mommy. I don't know. Here's mommy. Just drag and drop. How nice is that, huh? I'll suggest make it smaller so you actually can upload it really nice to your channel. Okay, that was Canva. Now I want to move to another thing. If you're not familiar with Canva, if it's a little bit too difficult for you, if for some reason you don't like it, I have something that's called Snappa. It's also very nice. Here, just go to snappa.com and get started. Free. Just do your name, your email, password, check I'm not a robot, get started free. Okay, don't let me, so I'm just ready. And custom, create, let's see. Now YouTube thumbnail, that's nice, but we need YouTube social media posts, headers and banners. Here we are, YouTube channel art. This is great. What's good about Snappa, that it's actually show you exactly how it's gonna look in each device. Let's say you like, let's say this one. Now what's good about Snappa, this is your phone safe area. This is the desktop safe area. You see from here to here. And this is only TV show. The body of this guy you will see only on TV. Just drag it like that, make it smaller, so you make sure that in your mobile phone everybody will see his face. Click, drag, drop, shapes, graphic, text, elements. You can change fonts, add fonts. You see here the fonts. It's very, very simple. Click and write wherever you want. Mommy's love. And you want to make it shorter and move it and whatever you want to do, you know. This is the guy. This is the backgrounds you can use. You can change it like this. Just click on it and it will change. By the way, you can do the opacity of this guy. You can make him disappear. You can rotate him. Photos here, and we can choose from all these free photos, right? Mom. We replace this guy with mommy. We just erase him here. Okay, great. Now let's go to graphic and photos and mommy. Whatever you like, choose whatever you like. There's so many photos. Of course, you can remove the background as I teach you on Lunapic and just make it the way you like. Okay, this is the layers, so you just move it back and move it back and move it back and move it back. You see, you can play with all these things around and make it nice. Now when you finish and you want to download it, just hit download, and you can decide higher resolution or GGP, PNG, JPG, whatever you like. Transparent background. Wow, that's nice. You see, it's free, I guess. Wow, that's nice. I didn't know they do that. Okay, let's do this. And it's downloading. It downloaded. That was all. I show you 2 ways. You can choose one, whatever you prefer, whatever you like. You can play with both of them and decide which one you like. You have many choices to create your thumbnails, your graphics, your channel art, whatever you like in each one of them, in both of them. Use them together. Use LunaPic if you want to remove the background from Canva. Really good tools. I love them. So I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.